Mistakes to use these two words, little and few. Little and few is same here, but there is a difference. I will clear you. First of all, hello guys, how are you? I think all of you are very well. I'm also well. Today I came here again. In the last videos I discussed about a little and a few, but today I will discuss about the different use of little and few to use these two words and few. We know that little is one kind of a word and few is another kind of a word. So let's discuss about the different using of little and few. First of all, I will discuss about little. Little expresses a negative meaning, a negative sense. Something like not enough, not much, nothing. That's like. And on the other hand, few expresses also a negative meaning, but it contains a countable noun. Little and few is same here, but there is a difference. I will clear you. First of all, I said about little. It contains a negative meaning and it contains a plural uncountable noun. That is the difference between little and few. So, for example, I drank little water. I drank little water. That means I did not drink so much water. Here, the structure will be little plus plural noun plus etc. And on the other, few contains a countable number, something like that. For example, I have few friends in the city. That's why I am feeling. These are the main difference between little and few. I think you are clear by my discussion. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share, like and comment. If you get some benefit from this video, please subscribe and it will be a great help for me. Thank you very much for watching.